Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your iPhone's battery health so you can know if it's time to change it. First, we need to go to the settings icon. Mine is right here, but if you're having trouble finding it, you can always just swipe down on your phone, and as you can see on the search bar, we're just going to type the word settings. I'm sorry, I typed it wrong. Settings. As you can see, the icon appears there. Just click on it. Okay, so once we're in settings, we just head down, scroll down. Right here where we can see the battery section, we're just gonna click on it. Okay, so as you can see, there's this button right here which says battery health. Click on that. And right now, since my iPhone is relatively new, you can see the maximum capacity is 100%. So my battery right now is at full health, but as you start to use your iPhone in many charges and discharges, it's going to lose capacity. When should you start to worry? Once you drop below 80%, that's when you're going to notice that your iPhone's charge doesn't last very long, and that's when you should start to think about replacing your battery. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can continue to give you guys more tips.